Hi, my name is Howard Tang,
And my name is Henry Yu.
and this is our final project for CS125. So our motivation for making this project is that we are both interested in the makings of cocktails, and we think it will be interesting to have an app that teaches people how to make their own cocktails using simple ingredients. Right now, our app only has some simple features like searching cocktails through text and sorting them into different categories.
So there are a couple classes that I want to introduce throughout our application. The first one is info. Basically, info fetches the data that we get from the web API database, the cocktail database that we search for. And what the info class would do is parse the information that were received into a presentable page for the user to watch, so the user to see. So it's basically going to have the cocktail name, the picture, the ingredients, and also the direction of making. The second class I want to introduce is the search class. The search class gives the user the ability to search for keywords and present options for user to choose from. So the third one and fourth one will be category 1 and category 2. In category 1, basically it gives the users a list of main ingredients used to make a certain cocktail. And after choosing a main ingredients that they want to use for their cocktail, it goes to category 2, which is a list of secondary ingredients that's also important for the cocktail making. And after that, the next one is favorite. So favorite is actually a personalization class for the user to have, which gives the user to store all the ones that they might want to go back after a period of time. And so the last one is our main activity. The main activity is basically all the things and the interfaces that you see, the app itself where it says MyBartender and all the tabs over here. So right now I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how our application is going to work. The first thing I'm going to try is to search a certain keyword that might pop out a list of cocktails. So for example, a good search could be margarita. Search, and then so it pops out all the relevant cocktails names that starts or either contains the word margarita. So at this point, if I want to make the white cap margarita, I click it in. This is the white cap margarita that we're looking for. So basically it has a name, the ingredients, and whether if it's alcoholic or not, and then the instructions of making. So, for example, if I really like this drink and I want to store it to my favorite, simply click Add to Favorite, and this drink is stored to the list of favorites that I have. So going back, next I want to do is to try out category of any choice. If I go in category, these are all the main ingredients that they have. So for example, if I want a main ingredient that involves milk, float, and shake, here are all the cocktails that involves milk, float, and shake. So, for example, a Black Forest shake looks pretty good. So click it in. So, for example, I like this drink a lot too, so I add it to my favorite. Going back, there is one choice that we could actually get random cocktails. So, for example, you're just really not sure what you want to drink. Simply click Get Random Cocktail. And this web API is going to spit out a random cocktail for you to sort of reference to. So for example, Grim Reaper, add to favorite. So right now the last thing that I want to demonstrate is how the favorite tab is going to be. So these are all the 3 drinks that I added to favorite previously. So if I go in, this is basically a personalized list.
If we are to further develop our app, we want to revise our code so it's more organized and efficient. We want to improve our UI so it's more visually appealing and intuitive, and implement more advanced functions into our app, like integrating videos of cocktail making for demonstrations or using Google Maps to locate the bar around our area.
Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys love our app.